Before buying an RV keyless entry door lock, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Some locks may look great and are priced well, but real users are complaining about hidden issues. Let's dive into the top 5 options so you can find the one that truly works for you. Product number 1, TEHOTE001. The TEHOTE001 keyless entry door lock caught my attention right away with its sleek matte black finish and impressive features, all for just $35.99. If you want a reliable lock that combines convenience and security, this is worth a serious look. The autolock feature can be customized to engage anywhere between 10 to 99 seconds, ensuring you never forget to lock up. With an IP54 waterproof rating, it can withstand the elements, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. The long battery life of up to 365 days and a low battery indicator means you won't be stuck with a dead lock when you need it most. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ability to set a one-time code for guests means you can let someone in without worry, and the anti-peeping feature keeps your main code safe. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, if you can use a screwdriver, you'll be fine. Just be aware it's not compatible with all door sizes, so check your measurements first. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly, easy-to-use lock for your RV. Skip this one if you're looking for more advanced connectivity options like Bluetooth. At this price point, it offers great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for comprehensive security needs. Product number 2, CAMJOKE RV Door Lock. Next up is the CAMJOKE RV Door Lock, priced at just $22.49. This one really caught my eye because it's designed for easy installation and a wide range of compatibility. If you're looking for a straightforward replacement lock, this is a fantastic option. This lock is not just about affordability, it's built with a durable zinc alloy and plastic that's both corrosion-resistant and wear-resistant. The tamper-proof lock cylinder adds an extra layer of security, which means you can travel with peace of mind. With 4 unique keys included, you won't have to worry about duplicates, and it fits most RV doors. Its waterproof design ensures it won't fade or corrode from exposure to the elements. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With straightforward installation instructions, you can upgrade your RV's security in minutes without needing a pro. Now, some users have reported that it doesn't fit all RV models, particularly Class A or C RVs. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard travel trailer or camper, you should be good to go. Just double-check your measurements before ordering. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need a quick, effective solution for your RV. Skip this one if you own a Class A or C RV. For the price, it offers excellent value. Now, if the lack of remote access bothered you in the CAMJOKE lock, the next lock has you covered with modern conveniences. Product number 3, ONNAIS Full Metal Lock. Coming in at $135.99, the ONNAIS Full Metal RV Keyless Entry Door Lock is designed for those who want a reliable lock with advanced features. The premium build caught my attention right away. If you prioritize both security and convenience, this is worth considering. The fob unlocking feature allows you to unlock your RV from up to 100 feet away, making it super convenient when your hands are full. The keypad is backlit and includes a peek-proof feature, so you can enter your code without worry even at night. With a battery life of up to 2 years, this lock is low maintenance too. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With temporary access codes, you can easily let friends or service crews into your RV without giving them a permanent key. Now, I will be real with you. Some users found the price a bit steep for a lock. But honestly, the durability and convenience you get here justify the cost, especially if you're frequently on the road. This is perfect for you if you want a highly secure and convenient option for your RV. Skip this one if you're looking for a simpler, budget-friendly lock. It's a bit of an investment, but it's worth it for the peace of mind. Alright, that was a great option, but if you want something even more compact and user-friendly, stay tuned for the next one. Product number 4, RVlock V4. Next, we have the RVlock V4 priced at $199.99. This one is a bit on the higher end, but it's packed with features that might be just what you're looking for. If you want a premium lock that stands out in terms of technology and durability, this is definitely worth considering. The long-range remote fob works from over 100 feet away, making access super easy. Installation is quick, with a setup time of about 10 minutes. Plus, the battery life of 6 to 9 months means you won't have to worry about changing it frequently. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The universal compatibility means it can fit a variety of RV types, making it versatile for different setups. However, some users have pointed out that it can be pricey compared to other options. Here's the thing though, when you consider the security and convenience it provides, many find it to be a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want high-end security features and robust build quality. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option. It does come with a higher price tag, but in return you get peace of mind. Now, if the price of the RVlock V4 is a concern, the next product offers similar features at a slightly lower cost. Product number 5, RVlock Compact Lock. Finally, we have the RVlock Compact RV Lock priced at $149.99. This lock captures attention with its sleek design and functionality. If you want a reliable, space-saving option, this one is a great pick. Designed specifically for right-hand hinge doors, this lock features over 1 million rolling code combinations for added security. The lightweight materials make it ideal for glass entryways, and its installation is straightforward. You'll have everything you need included in the box. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The compact design doesn't compromise on security, making it perfect for RVs where space is a premium. That said, some users have mentioned that it might not fit every RV style. But if your RV has standard dimensions, you should be fine. Just confirm the fit before you buy. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight yet secure lock for your RV. Skip this one if you have an unusual door size that may not accommodate it. For the quality, it offers solid value. So there you have it. Each of these locks has unique advantages and is suited to different needs. To sum it all up, the TEHO TE001 offers great value for budget-conscious users, while the CAMJOKE is perfect for those needing a quick replacement. The ONNAIS Full Metal Lock brings advanced features for security enthusiasts, and the RVlock V4 is for those wanting premium quality. Finally, the RVlock Compact is a fantastic option if you need something lightweight without compromising on security.